Yeah, some people say don't change who you are. But what if who you are is just the sum of where you've been? What if changing your identity is not lying? What if it's surviving?
I used to wake up in a name that wasn't mine, a room that didn't breathe, a future that felt like a hand around my throat. So I changed my postcode, changed my table.
Change who gets to call me after midnight. Not to be famous, just to be seen. I change what I believe is true. I change how I count my hours. I change who smiles when I enter the room.
That's not escape, that's navigation. I changed my identity, but I didn't change my heart. I changed my condition so my soul could restart. If you've done the same, then you know my name. We're not lost, we just moved the frame. Let me talk to the one who changed their pronouns, the one who left the world and found their own crowds, the one who fled a country with one bag, the one who stopped being the family's doormat. You didn't lose yourself, you found the door. Some people stay small just to keep the peace, but peace without oxygen is just a nicer cage. I broke my old ceiling, I took back my labor, I chose my neighbor. That's not betrayal, that's repair. I changed my identity, but I didn't change my heart. I changed my conditions so my soul could restart. If you've done the same, then you know my name. We're not lost, we just move the flame. It's the rule, pay attention. Changing your identity is changing the conditions that push you toward a destination.
Philosophical, spiritual, economic, social. But here's what nobody tells you: do not change your core. Do not change your kindness just because the world was cruel. Do not change your laugh just because someone mocked it. Do not change the way you love just because you got burned. You can change your passport, your job, your family name, your accent. But if you change the one quiet thing inside you that still knows how to cry in a sad movie, or help a stranger, or admit you were wrong, then you didn't change your identity.
You erased it, except one time, one exception, when your original identity was a cage with spikes inside. When who you were born as was a weapon other people used. When the name, the body, the story they gave you was never yours to begin with,
then yes, burn it. Build a new one from scratch. That's not change, that's birth. Everyone else ain't your condition, not your compass.
I changed my identity, but I didn't change my heart. I changed my conditions so my soul could restore. If you've done the same, then you know my pain.
We're not lost, we just moved the frame. So go ahead, change your city, change your table, change your name if you have to. But keep the part of you that still remembers how to be tender, unless that part was never yours to keep. And grow a new one, that's allowed too.